go ahead, ride it. On a trip, you a good co-pilot. Seems like we're a little misguided. Keep looking, but we still can't find it. So go ahead, baby, just ride it. You know me, you've been solid. I'm here till you find a new body. I'm here till you find a new hobby. I don't get emotional no more. Fuck me like you love me, don't call no more. Put them in above me while I'm gone. Guess I was only meant to see you later on no more. Don't put my name in your phone no more. I don't feel the way I'm grown. Only feel it when I get home no more. That way it ain't really known. Play me like an Xbox, treat me like a fresh stop. I don't even know where you're going. Been working in a sweatshop, waiting on the text box. I just cannot be alone. I can't call you home, but I'll ask you to come over. And it won't be long until me and you can feel closer. Baby, go ahead, ride it. On a trip, you a good co-pilot. Seems like we're a little misguided. Keep looking, but we still can't find it. So go ahead, baby, just ride it. You know me, you've been solid. I'm here till you find a new body. I'm here till you find a new hobby. I don't get emotional no more. Fuck me like you love me, don't call no more. Put them in above me while I'm gone. Guess I was only meant to see you later on no more. Don't put my name in your phone no more. I don't feel the way I'm grown. Only feel it when I get home no more. That way it ain't really known. It's a lot of shit I won't say to ya. Easier for me to say screw ya. Got a lot on your plate now, do ya? Transparent, I can see right through ya. Got a lot of bags with you from back home. You ain't tryna save face while your mask on. You ain't tryna stay in place, you a bulldozer. You finish at the job and run me right over. Baby, go ahead, ride it. On a trip, you a good co-pilot. Seems like we're a little misguided. Keep looking, but we still can't find it. So go ahead, baby, just ride it. You know me, you've been solid. I'm here till you find a new body. I'm here till you find a new hobby.
Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are on this planet. Wednesday, NASDAQ. Let's see what's up. Bigger picture. Starting to look like we want to retest of the value area high from the composite. Looks really good for this. And I believe, yeah, we're at the moment we're opening up with the gaps, so gap rules are going to be in play too. All right, so then first we'll just map out last session. We basically rejected value on the bottom to the upside to be seen if we reject value from yesterday. Basically, especially that whole zone area, everything above is very bullish, I'd say. So prior range high, value area high, it's gonna be the same level-ish. It's gonna be the same level. Yeah, it is the same level. Just pop those on each other then. The POC. 25,013, 12 and a half. The value area low at the 930s, and then the prior range low all the way at the bottom. $95s. So at the moment we're basically really pushing up above all these highs, prior swing highs, all these sessions. Good thing. So gap rules are in play, to be seen what the open does upon the open. Opening price is going to be key today. We'll see. So looking bullish for a move towards that 300s basically, and potentially higher, to be seen. My first overall target will be, from the bigger picture, the composite value area high at the 300s. Let's fine tune this a little bit more. All right, let's move on to the overnight. Let's see what's going on here. Still got 13 minutes. I might wait to come back in a few. Might be a good thing to do. All right, come back to that. Oh, someone was muted. Someone was muted. Thanks, Amrani. Thanks, man. I was just pointing out that currently trading with a gap, so the prior range high area. Super bullish at the moment. Just pointing out that the opening price, if this is the place where price would open, I'm gonna redo the whole thing. For the bull side, I want to see immediate continuation up and then setups to the upside, and or a retest of that opening price level still would be looking good for me. For the bulls, definitely do not short if something like that happens. And then if price were to open and we push up but we fail on the retest of that open, it's going to be looking less unclear. Potentially everything under the opening price would be short for me for a gap close. That would be a good trade idea. Basically, the opening price is going to guide me into what I want to do early upon the session. If price opens up, if books below the opening price back up, back below, back up, back below. I'm gonna stay out of it until something develops from there. We'll see what happens. But these are things, if we're trading with a gap, I'm looking for. Looks strong though. News? We got news? Yeah, Fed speakers again. Yeah, Nvidia earnings after the close. Maybe let's see, go back to that overnight. See where that upper aggression is. Still got 9 minutes though. Let's see what we're dealing with today. Probably gonna be focused more on the upside here. So already here too. For upside, I want to see the failure area high here hold with that aggression we're gonna put. If it sweeps, it regains that overnight. The potential for that gap close is gonna be on my mind. But if you push up, stay above these aggression levels or the value levels, it's going to be looking really good for upside. Aggression on the bottom. This one really obvious here. Big old delta at the 31s, 32s. Value area low towards the high volume nodes. She still might develop a little bit here. Then the value area high towards the next spike up. And then the aggression for me is going to be the high volume node at the 170s. If I then overlay my prior range levels, even if it will come back for the gap close and then potentially the prior PLC, if she then still regains, that's still super bullish. We'll see. We'll find some place, I'm sure. Let's see, let's put some swing points and some targets. I think current range high, overnight high, it's gonna be a key level. And then the lows at 988. So I'm looking at overnight high as a swing point, and I'm looking at the 988 as a swing point if we do go down. Targets. So if buyers step in and we keep trading above all those levels, it's going to be looking really, really good for a move all the way back to 420s. Let's see what she wants to do. This is gonna be another fake out. Lots of room to the upside if we keep trading above the 170s. Lots and lots of room. Three minutes till the open. Let's see if that overnight changed a little bit. Maybe, maybe not. Still good. Overnight POC could be big level too. But I'm not gonna mark this one out. I'm just gonna mark the extremes. I think she looks really good, but I have to be seeing what's gonna happen here. Saudi Arabia boosts out oil output. Is that bullish or bearish? Just don't like those fit speakers. Can't they do that shit in the weekend or something? Morning, Mark. Market opened up. Where's my opening line? Bullish. Good. Opening up with a gap to the upside. Market's super bullish upon open. I'm definitely not thinking about shorts. FYI. Is she gonna give a opportunity? I like it all the way to the tip of the top. 290s at first. $470s. $80 1 minute candle. As long as the 170s holds, 180s, I'm looking for longs. Is that a pullback, NASDAQ? Is that what you're gonna do? Patience.
Really been feeling myself, too hard to be sad when I take a good look at my pockets. Really been stacking this paper. Funny thing is, young nigga just getting it started, homie, you can ask around. Niggas gon' say this how I get down. I don't lack for a thing, for the bread I'ma pounce. Get it how I can't take a trip out of town. If it mean it's a ways, whenever I touch down. Got like 20 olds calling me now. Ain't got the time, so I tell them to bounce. Knock shit out when I'm up at the mound. Yo, shorty get cracked if you talking down. I don't trip on niggas, they clowns. I'm bro on a mission to get all the fake out. I said on the realest, you thought it was cap wet. Niggas be cap, I tell them to back up, cause I'm ballin'. Know that they feel away. Know that them boys gon' feel away. I can't blame. Know that they feel away. Know that them boys gon' feel away. I can't blame. Know that they feel away. Know that them boys gon' feel away. Can't blame. Know that they feel away. Know that them boys gon' feel away. Hey, but I said I ain't trippin' on niggas. I'm bro with it, with it, just counting up digits. Boys be capped, they ain't stacking no figures. They put up on shorty, she showing out titties. Really on go and I ain't sitting for a minute. I know they gon' hate, but I ain't worried about fitness. Put up with a shorty that's good for my image. You speak on my name, better say that I'm winning. No cap. I ain't came in to waste no time. They don't talk to my face, only stay online. I'm a threat to the game, so they hate though. I'm just chilling on the phone with a bitch so fine. Make a nigga depressed, start to question his life. You can ask your homie, I ain't told no lies. If I said it, it's 100, I can put it on God. If she saying that she let me, gotta kick it to the side. I'm focused, ayy. Thought I told you, shorty, you should know it though. Keep your hand on my desk and away from that stash, girl. It's probably abandon that envelope. Don't even want you around if you ain't on the same. If you come around me, better run it up. All my brothers who with me been here from beginning, the way you should do it when coming up. Cause these rappers around you be fake, I can say from experience, they don't be real enough. Do you people they songs, they act like they 100, boy. All of that cap go ain't real as us. Got me hot, I can't listen to fake rappers. I don't talk with them other ones, stay yapping. Money legal, but my brother stay trapping. Got him mad, I ain't tripping when hate happen, cause I know that. Know that they feel away. Know that them boys gon' feel away. I can't blame. Know that they feel away. Know that them boys
Trying to be patient here.
know that they feel away. Know that them boys gon' feel away. Can't blame. Know that they feel away. Know that them boys gon' feel away. Hey, but I said I ain't tripping on niggas. I'm bro with it, just counting up digits. Boys be capped, they ain't stacking no figures. They put up on shorty, she showing out titties. Really on go and I ain't sitting for a minute. I know they gon' hate, but I ain't worried about fitness. Put up with a shorty that's good for my image. You speak on my name, better say that I'm winning. No cap. Hey.
At least want to see a pullback into like the 190s ish. Momentum is strong though. I'm just not interested into getting into an entry and then smack back down. She's strong though, but I'll get my opportunity. Morning, sir. Morning.
like I'm floating, I'm lost in the moment, I swear I could levitate. They never believed that I would really fly, I had to go demonstrate. I had to set them straight. They hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. They hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. Yeah, they hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. They hate when you elevate, yeah. I had to elevate. I'm way too fly. Yeah, I'm feeling myself. Ain't no chance I'm coming down, no. Got a soul view to myself, yeah. Why would I give it up? Why do they wanna come take my place? I work too hard for it, don't need a replacement. This my vocation. Now I got rollies all in rotation. Hop on a jet just to take a vacation. Remember the moments was trapped in the basement. Now the hard work is all taking me places. Swatting all blood like we trapped in the matrix. Bet on myself and go ball out in Vegas. Living a life like I'm rich and I'm famous. Don't see the grind that I know that it came with. Oh. I ain't make it this far for myself. I had to prove to everybody else. I had to set them straight.
The composite value high already here, 290s. Strong, huh? The momentum is clear and obvious, just not something I want to chase like this. This was the initial idea. Trade towards that composite value area high.
I'm better than ever. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I get let up. They get not taught to me never. Give me a shot and I swear I shoot like Berettas. Yeah. They getting nervous, I seen it. What I seen, you wouldn't believe it. They say they want it, I need it. Damn. I'm going dumb like I dropped out of class. Get in my lane.
Zero pullbacks. I mean, very slightly once. I mean, that's not even a fucking pullback. It's not a pullback. Damn, I gotta go to the bathroom too. Kinda wanna wait for a pullback in that area. I need to go, man. I need to be right back. Still no pullback. Was the case to be made to be more aggressive? Didn't feel like it. Jesus. Cumulative big trades? Like the CVD? Is that what you mean? The CVD? Yo, bro, we're gonna go straight up to 420s without giving any pullback. It's already another 60 points from that composite failure high. Yo, what's up, Luffy? It's good. It's fine, dude. Like I need like one good day. I can take a payout today, and also on all the other accounts nearly. I'm good. There's no need for me to chase. I can just wait for my setup to present itself, and then just make money. It's all good. It is all good. More NASDAQ, more. I'm using per bar delta. Is that what it's called? Delta bar. Basically just the delta in the current candle. Could be a little bit of a pick top of the move, but like it more here than all the other ones. Break even. Absorb. Very nice. Might need to re-enter if she pulls back that much. She looks toppy though, I'm not gonna lie, man. The absorption without follow through, lots of buying going on, price stalling, smells fishy. Not gonna lie. Dude, all I need is $250 for a $4,000 payout. 150. I give it the benefit of the doubt, I guess. Again, not a fan. Look at the absorption here. Brutal. No, this is gonna stop me here. This don't look no good. Little bit of greed, perhaps. Yeah, but the CVD rising and price stalling means something. What does that mean? If the delta is rising, it's unable to, it has to wick 62s here, otherwise it's getting absorbed. That means they're buying it super hard, but it's like a passive order just slamming the market here like a wall. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get squeezed if this doesn't pop 62s. A naked puck from previous weeks, like a weekly or a daily. Yeah, we're definitely extending this fuck. This is the one that stops me. And I want to protect myself under $100. Jesus, dude. Yeah, there goes. There she goes. She goes up, I'm adding. Nope, that's down. That is down. Well, we tried. What was that? Saved by a tick or two. Go up, go up. More up. Trap him. Trap him short. Jesus. Trap me there. Well, I'm very tight. It's very likely to get stopped out of here. I added to that. Very likely to get Victor. Yeah. She either explodes here or I'm cooked. And I think this is going to be the last one. You can't control the outcome of a trade. You can control. My stop is just in the worst place, dude. Yeah, I was long 8. Don't do this to me, NASDAQ. Did I get stopped to the freaking tick? Oh my god. Interesting. I want to see what happens. Lower. It's just a pullback, bro. Damn, I'm too early now. That was too early. Still popped it though. No, nope, nope, nope. I want it lower. Damn, this went like freaking 25 points more, like 40 points. Damn. Well, now we're getting a pullback. That's what I like. Now to see if we can find anything interesting. Let's see what happens here. Patience, one more sweep. Definitely don't want to do business inside of these candles right now. Waiting for the buyers here. Potentially. Not a fan yet. They're pushing, they're pushing. Who's winning? Who's gonna win? Damn, they're getting absorbed both ways here. That's always interesting. Not a fan, not a fan. Buyer stepped in, they pushed it up, immediately got absorbed. Maybe a little bit aggressive on the ad. Still pushing it hard down. Don't want to give it more room either. I really get stopped out and then re-enter later. Stuck. Scatterwig 325s. Pressure is down. They push it here, they get absorbed. Immediately, when buyer stepped in, price pushed down. It's not the hottest thing, I think. Bro. Bro. Patience. Still looks good, huh? But let's see. Let's wait. Where's that stop, dude? Why is that so far away? Why is it whippy here? Super whippy. A lot of business being done here. Still like the area though. Well, I got my pullback. Wait for some momentum to kick in this time. They get absorbed hard, all those buyers, all those bubbles on top. Too light the area too much. Let's try aiming for the highs. 13 minutes till the IB closes. Still momentum needs to kick into the upside though. Early again. I need to stretch my legs if this stops me out after this one. Kind of want to see somewhat of sellers pushing it here and getting absorbed. That would be nice. Just give me a red bubble and go back up. Struggling. Yeah. I'm gonna get another cup of coffee. Be right back. Do like what I saw there. Did it trap me? Did it trap me? Seems like it. Someone's not on point today. Right, be right back. Absorption. Level of absorption. She doesn't push 16s. I already kind of want to just get out of that position. Pop the high. Jesus. Well, green bubbles on top are bullish, but at the same time, she has to keep pushing through, otherwise it's absorption. Don't want to give it too much room because I see it slam it back down. At the same time, she's strong. And that's gonna be, give it a little bit more room. Go here, absorb. This is the one you want to see absorb. Strength. Might be asking for too much here though. If it wicks that red bubble, it ain't no good. So step in. Who's in control, buddy? Who's in control? Still tight. Put any break even right here. These candles are big, dude. Alright, 15 points. Again, I want to see that imbalance left open here. More strength. You got the sellers trying to step in. Buyers keep pushing through. Kind of want to give it the benefit of the doubt for a move towards current daily highs here at 62s. At the same time, this might just get a little bit of a pullback for continuation. At the same time, as long as she keeps pushing those 1 minute highs, I like it. Got 10 seconds until the IB closes, which is interesting to be in a position. She starts wicking in the prior candle high. I'm very likely to go somewhat closer, tighter, secure something more. This is the IB close. This is what you want to see. It holds, obviously. Heavy selling. Delta is saving. If they're that heavily selling it and price unable to follow through, it's getting absorbed at the strength. I want to be careful with what I'm trying to do here. This could be absorption on top, but I think I'd rather take the gamble of price. Push through. Damn it, man. Freaking absorbed. Well, I tried. Fucking tried. $100. You gotta be fucking shitting me. Can we push through? It's not a good sign. It's not a good sign. Just put it here and see what happens, dude. Yeah, partials, yeah, but I added on top too, so my average is gonna be dragged up hard. That's very likely to nullify this whole trade. God damn it. Brutal. Nope. What am I missing? Maybe just basically close the whole imbalance from bigger time frame. That's the thing. Someone was long 12 contracts. I'm good, dude. I'm good. Welcome to the Profile Hideout, sir. I was just looking for one more push to really start trailing. Didn't get it. It's how the cookie crumbles. IB closed. Unable to trade above it. Still like the area though. There's a few plays to be made here. I just need to wait for a momentum to really kick in. Don't deserve to be early anymore. Or we're way too early.
J like the letter, I'm making several waves. I know the mission is same. I made a splash, now all of my passes last like running a race with Usain. I keep it coming like this is buffet. And if I'm stumbling, I'm in the graves. Never gon' fumble it. I get the bag and I run with it, gunning it, gunning it, gunning it, gunning it. Murray with the legs, all about finesse. I am not impressed. I don't need a rest, coming in with less, then you see the flash. Elohim with the melody and the kiss of God of breath. 70K keep it heavenly, everybody get the bread. I got the bread and I got the juice. I got some dogs and I let them loose. Bring in the storm and this ain't the Zeus. Walk in the skies but this ain't the loop. This ain't the truth. We ain't the same, you ain't have a clue. I'm in the game and untouchable. Cause I got the flame and this is the proof. Loading my toad, I still want all the smoke. We ain't talking about jokes, we just talking about more. I see all of my goals in this.
She's kind of stalling out here.
Cause I know that this show now you see me blow. This is premeditated, I've been underrated. That's an understatement. I ain't coming later. The abundance came when I allow my bosom to the loving greatest. He the one who made it, so I'm in my bag. I that way before I ever raise a white flag. Shooting right back, raise the price tag. Chasing down all of these ghosts till I grab. Who could really stop me is what I ask. Homie, you can never get your time back. Only me and my reflection fight back. That's why this beat gon' probably need a night.
Basically absorption both ways. Ideally, I want to wait for the top and the bottom to be resolved to do business. I just like the area here too. That's the thing.
I'm not impressed with none of the stage. Told her myself if it's up to me. Top of the list, I'm running the league, don't run into me. We not the same, the homie compete. I'm in the game, I'm pulling from deep. Lugging a loaf, this is heavily. Another loaf, I've been burning toast. Let him tell it, I done done the most. I'm jumping, hopping, skipping, frogging, ribbon over all these gimmicks like I'm jumping rope. I done phoned it gold. Hit me with a light, I got right back to it. Future looking brighter than a diamond jeweler. And the reason why, cause I put God in my meals. It's been like this, it's like Sawyer way. Sauce on everything, bowling A's. I've been legit since the 7th grade. And it's safe to say I control the wave. Control my speed, control my pace. Clean the G's, that's
Momentum definitely died down here. That's a thing. That's something I'm a big fan of.
Ever see me chillin', plot no millions and count these bitches. Just know I got them straight from him again. J like the letter, I'm making several waves. I know the mission is same. I made a splash, now all of my passes last like running a race with Usain. I keep it coming like this is before.
Damn, long tree. What?
Never gon' fumble it. I get the bag and I run with it, gunning it, gunning it, gunning it, gunning it. Hurry with the legs, all about finesse.
Just gotta push through though. Someone's early again. Against that imbalance to the downside. So this better gets resolved to the upside. This big trade here is an issue. I don't want to give it to room for a retest of that level. It's getting absorbed at that level at the moment. She's got to push through that level. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Nope. Kind of want to wait for a sweep of all those lows. Still like an upside though. This point of view, I still need to be Consolidating. I do like it long, but I don't want it long here anymore. Immediate follow through. I don't want to be part of it. Dude, what's going on with my mouse? Jesus, this again? It's dropped again. Still like it though. Just patience. Unbelievable that I'm down on the day actually. Well, whatever. I'm not thinking about a payout. I'm thinking about making my money back. Squeezing money out of the market, looking for a good setup. So I'm looking at. Just need to be a little bit more precise. I do like the area, that's the thing. But I do anticipate a sweep. And I think if it pops 15, 315, she's gonna go real quick to the upside. And I want to be part of that. That's why I'm kind of focused on this zone, because if it goes, it could be a quick move. At the same time, it's very easy to get burned into the last 10 minutes of price action. Let's see what happens if she sweeps lower. Thank you, sir. Thank you. NASDAQ. Two like red bubbles on the bottom. But if they get wicked, I don't like them. Let's see if they really wanna buy it. Kind of wanted to see a little bit more of a flush, but okay. NASDAQ. Kind of want to see a move to 280s. Might still get it. Where them buyers at? Trying to see what I'm trying to do makes sense here. Do like this area though.
Told 'em pipe down, I don't care what's next, I need it right now. And I got it numbers going stupid like they dropped out. What they think they doing, I don't know, but we can find out. Feel like Lewis Hamilton said, go and shut the lights out. Look, if I said it, you already know. They ain't never touching what I'm doing, told them let it go. I ain't with it ticky-tack, like I ain't playing X and O's. Go compare the numbers, said I think they missing decimals. Look, told them that I'm about to run it now. Too much money out of music, dog. Now the bank account is never running out. Educated on the business, said when I'm talking to him, I can dumb it down. At the summit of this mountain, dog, and I'm camping out. I'm never coming down. Look, pipe down. I don't care what's next. I need it right now. And
Where them buyers at?
Going stupid like they dropped out. What they think they doing, I don't know, but we can find out. Feel like Lewis Hamilton said, go and shut the lights out. Lights out. Floor is in the sauna, but I'm iced out. Back up on my balls, so I said I feel like Mike now. Said I never do this, but they push me.
Do you have anchored VWAP?
These daughters' pockets getting tight now. Look, told them all I'm about to make it out. Reinvested every dollar, dog, and I
Dude, where them buyers at? Where's my green bubbles?
talking about my name now. Told them don't be scared, gotta say it loud. Lot of trash in these stories lately, like it's on the curb, about to take it out. Look, pipe down, I don't care what's next, I need it right now. And I got it numbers going stupid like they dropped out. What they think they doing, I don't know, but we can find out. Feel like Lewis Hamilton said, go and shut
Anchored
the
VWAP,
lights out.
which plots at the session and automatically changes. Oh, I just do it all manually. Manual.
What they think they doing, I don't know, but we can find out. Feel like Lewis Hamilton said, go and shut the lights
No buyers, still heavy sell pressure. Not the reaction I was looking for at this spot. Middle of the range. that one trade just pushed through, that would have been different for today. Volume profile, which updates itself with recent price. Not sure what you're trying to get at. I'm just manually drawing zones that I want to see. Dropping back into value from that composite. Interesting. If she starts failing in the middle of the range, that's gonna be not good. Where is that take profit? So again, early, again, I like the zone. If the sellers push through that red bubble on the bottom, I don't want to be in. She either pushes through right now or I get another stop out. You go, buddy. She's got a lot of work to do, though. Let's see if we can put in any kind of higher low. So I can slam on some more contracts. I do feel I'm slightly cooked and annoyed, but looks good. Has to push through that POC and move towards those highs. If she starts pushing those highs, it's gonna be a moment. Yeah, over trading. I mean, I would have been good if this trade here, one, I took profits, or two, pushed a little bit higher so I could trail. It would have been a different thing. Time of day is still good. I'm still kind of good. Not taking too bad of entries. I did take a little walk because I was freaking longing the wrong momentum here. The question is going to be, can I get going break even here? Can I get yeah, the edge, and especially the mental part. If I'm cooked and tilted, any trade is too much for sure. I'm just trying to find the thin line between streaming, trading, and making money. Jesus, you better get absorbed. Brutal candle, dude. Oh, that was the top of the hour. Bro. How do I add into something like this, my friend? Do I wait? Dude, Jesus. Who does something like that? This is the point where she was balanced. This is the current daily PLC. This could be a zone of rejection or chop or kind of want to see it push through here. Use that current low. I should technically put my stop below this. You know, I don't want to see price really trade below that level. Yeah, at the same time, don't want to get wicked. So it's either going to be another break even or we bounce right here. And I add. Definitely not the biggest fan. There's no buy aggression. This would be the point for it to reject. It's looking very spooky. Not a fan, but yeah, kind of like it long. Don't want to short. Might be looking for a new trade soon. And then technically the trade, the stop should be lower, but yeah. This is the make or break it. Looks very break it. Nope. This thing, do you give it to room? Because it's so likely to get wick me. Everything above that green box basically is good. Like I'm just, again, protecting my entry. We'll see what happens. If she stops me out, I might look for another long. Yeah, we'll see. The stop is a support. Nice. Like to see it. Up. Nope. A little bit of momentum up. Where's the buyers at, dude? Where's the freaking green bubbles? Where you at? Struggling though. I'm securing $12. Dude, this is chopping around. We need green bubbles. Everything is chopping, not even the CVD. Even the MACD is chopping. Everything is chopping. I like it. I like the pop. I'm just too impatient to get the pop. Still no buy aggression. Jesus, I'm not a fan of this anymore to trade. I like it to the upside, but this is just kind of want to protect my entry here at the same time. Don't want to get stopped out, and then it still looks good. Even my stop at like 286 is tight. Very likely to get wicked, and then still looks good. Starting to lose interest all of a sudden here. Buyers step in, buyers push through. I'm putting it break even. If it pulls back, it's gonna be, I mean, put it under that candle, just under that candle. Looks like absorption once again, isn't it? Dude, this candle is this candle even moving? Is my connection still active? I think I might be done if this stops me out. This is just not moving, dude. I like the idea of it popping all those highs, but getting drained here. I need to put the stop lower, 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 lower. That's a single player. Yeah, single player. Yo, what the hell? Who is doing all that business down here? Someone's buying and selling a lot of shit here. can we continue from this? That would be ideal. Like I don't want to see this resolve to the downside. Can we just once? Do I add? If it does we just need to wick like 306. If you can wick 306, I'll be happy. Oh, really? There she blows. No follow through. I mean, at one point, she's very tight. At one point, she's gonna pop. She is gonna pop at one point. And that's kind of what I'm trading. I'm waiting for price to get all them stops, like those highs. But no momentum. There's just no momentum here. Again, could have taken profit anywhere here, but just looking for that continuation. Still kind of looks good here though. Still at this level. My stop would have been down below that.
Speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound. Hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound.
Price is not moving. Jesus, just the fucking same candle straight back up down. Cooked. Too impatient. I've been too impatient. Because this is the area that's the invalidation point. This is just, there's no momentum. So I just should give it that room.
deposit in a large amount, making moves in silence, boy, I promise it's been not a shout. Nothing but some profit down the way that I've been walking down. It's okay, making a play these busters, they've been not allowed. Walk up in the bank and I'm depositing a large amount, making moves in silence, boy, I promise it's been not a shout. Nothing but some profit down the way that I've been walking down. It's okay, making a play these busters, they've been not allowed.
If this isn't brutal, I don't know what is, man.
I get the money and it's right on cue. Keep the duffel bag up inside my coupe. Hold a couple racks, tell 'em I love you. You wanna be a boss, do it like I do. Yeah. Get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex.
All right, we are moving though.
You now rockin' with the best.
Maybe one more, two more tries.
Stepping on the gas, no brake light. I got a big dream and I aim high. Take a risk every time I play dice. I shake 'em up and it's snake eyes. I'm the same
Overall, the move up is still good. Everything above that green box, in my opinion. Just pushing it too hard. Anticipating momentum, and it's not kicking in.
get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. You now rockin' with the best.
Stuck much? Kind of want to see all those people that are short get annihilated. A little bit too much. The one time I'm like, I need to wait for More confirmation. Wick. Oh, really? Question is, why am I long 4? Losing interest. Putting myself in a hole for no reason now. Is this a gigantic bull flag? What is this? Could also just be the first losing day of the month. Could also be a thing. I do like the whole idea for getting long and getting all the stops, but I'm just not getting the right momentum. It's teasing. Then you go along, and then she goes back. At one point, she's gonna squeeze them all. At one point. I like it too much. It's fucking annoying. This does not make sense because I'm just doing the same thing, entering when the momentum just has not kicked in. It's teasing, but she's gonna go without me for sure at one point, and I should be okay with that.
No loss.
fixed, sir. It's fixed at 30. I'm anticipating something to happen way too much. Again, over and over and over. Too soon. I'm rushing this, man. I'm rushing this. It's not good. Approaching lunchtime too. We might just throw the towel in the ring for today. I'm just not trading properly. Too impatient. Too impatient. Yeah, I guess it is what it is. If I'm not gonna be impatient for the thing I need to see, then it doesn't make sense what I'm doing right now. There hasn't been really any aggression in like 30 minutes. She's been very choppy after the IB closed, after the first hour. It's basically where I started pushing a lot of buttons. And the trade makes sense above that low here for longs. It's just I'm getting into the bad spots. Like even here, she's struggling to get up there.
To the red side, she pull out with a friend, and I'm on it like a red dye. I got my sights on a headshot. Yeah, said she got a man, let her leg drop. Both sides, switched up out of blue, yeah, she played both sides. Close to the two, trying to change her life. Nah, you stupid. I can tell just by the way you talk, yeah, you do this often. Know that you know what to do, just by the way you are. Tell me any problem, no, I can solve it. Fuck the post, go to the match, yeah, like Michael Jordan. Both sides, yeah, switch your bottom all, you won't need him. Yeah, he only talking dollars, you won't see him, no. Her stain on her lips just like a demon. She got a dragon on her.
Give me that swing high. 310s. Don't you struggle. still weak. Oh man, that was bottom of the hour. You're freaking shitting me. I'm giving it that candle. If that stops me, I'm walking. Again, just wick 3 tints. This is that point of rejection last time. This has to go. Or are you gonna go give me a 50-point candle back down? Motherfucker. Gotta give it a room if I wanna be in this play. It's gonna be the last one of the day, either way, because I reached my point of boiling. I'm actually way past where I should be. Come on, man, give me some conviction above 15s. It's a beginning, but still not what you want to see. So what I want to see, it's very likely it pulls back to my stop and to the low at 290s here if she doesn't continue. You want to see price continue from here.
Said I'm taking big shots, just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip.
Can we play? Thank you.
Cause you know I'm taking big shots, just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. They been trying to get me cheap like a thrift shop, but I told them it's my time to the wristwatch. They been talking way before they even doing something. Whoa. If they wanna play, let's get a tip off. Ain't no silver lining, dog, this some rose gold. Getting new money, I'm a old soul. Yeah, I get it bouncing like a pogo. Whoa. And I'm too cold like Frozone. And my chick elastic, girl. Told them we ain't in the faking, this ain't plastic, girl. Bought a new whip and cash, now my taxes thorough. Way I'm shooting like step with my passes, bro. The way I'm playing the field, I'm in a league of my own. And now they all in they fields. I got them all on my phone. But dog, I'm hitting the climb, I got no time on the low. Way I'm shooting is messy, the way I'm hitting the goals. I'm taking big shots, just stop. Way I'm driven, no pit stops.
Stars are sure doing their business. I'm done, man. Yep. This could be the break and retest. And I'm done fighting this momentum to the upside. This is a freaking break and retest, dude. If not, then not.
I'm taking big shots, just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots.
Yeah, I'ma be done. I'ma be done.
I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking
First red there, do month. It is then. Already pushed through my stop loss. So yeah, it's better to quit while we're still down 1200. It's good. It's alright. We'll make that back. Bit of a shame because overall the move makes sense, but there's just no follow through anyway. Like, could have been more careful, could have been more precise. Yeah, at the same time, we tried, had some good entries, just no follow through. That's how the cookie crumbles for me today. All right, that's it. That's gonna be Wednesday for me, first red day of the month. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna go for a walk, stretch my legs, eat some food, and come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Right, that's it. I'll see you everyone tomorrow. Peace.